Do you want to
There
bet?
you go. This is my other build got kind of messed up.
How much money do you got?
So I'm rebuilding it, but
Harry can
it's
have
gonna be
zero.
slightly different than it was before.
So how it works?
So yeah, this is the
it's
last
like
layer I'm on.
Inco. So I
I'll
just
show you
put
about
this
as soon as I
down,
finish
and if it lands
filling in this.
yellow, the one that bet the money
Oh.
gets to keep it. And they can keep
Gosh,
it
that's
in
bad lag.
green. They have.
I need this
I can
file.
double it by 2,000.
It's light enough. So
Can you
that's
show me with your money? So I'm not gonna steal it. I'm not gonna steal it.
No, it's not
since
with the
whenever
money.
someone
You
loads
don't
a
put it
building,
by
it proper lags my
Oh,
game.
what then?
This. This starts at 500. Look.
Depending on how close you are now.
Stay right there. Just stay right there. Yo, this is CEO. This is a CEO only.
I'm gonna leave one hole in, just so I can get out.
So, I just drop it. Hey, who wants to explore my house? What did it land on?
So this is my hotel. This is my hotel.
Hey, bro, what did it land on?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, so that means that the one that bet the money, they can either keep the money and stop gambling, or they can double it, and if they hit the green, they win more.
But it's a block, so it cannot land on green.
Yeah, I know, that's the
Really
trick.
big place
So it's
for
kind
it
of hard
not
to
having
hit the
an
green.
entrance. How can you even do that if there's a block?
That's the thing though, there is an entrance.
Physics, look, stay there.
Hey, do you guys want to see my hotel?
Shut up!
As you can see, I built this whole thing around it.
Hold up.
If anybody, I want to see.
Click
I want to see.
save.
Yo, this is cool.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty hard.
It's took too long.
Yeah, it is.
Hey,
So when you come in here,
Bro, what you doing? Get
In-
out.
the back room's I didn't finish this either. Since that does,
Guys, don't go to
get
this
out.
room.
that
Guys,
does,
come back. Everyone, I need you all to
that's
get
this one, same as this one. But if you go through this door, go to the left. Gosh dang the lag. You go down here,
Sure, I almost
you fall
died.
down here, you fall right here.
Guys,
If you go
I'm
up,
gonna die. Guys, I'm gonna die.
if you fall down this diagonal, you fall straight like this leaf right here, the only leaf that you can see in sight, just go straight ahead.
Hey, I'm
Into
gonna
the next
die.
leaf,
I'm
turn
gonna
to the left,
die.
go
out.
forward,
Shut up, die already.
then go on this angle,
Okay.
then down this tree, leaves even, and fall down to the next level. And then what you wanna do, if I remember I put it, you know. So,
Hey, you
so
guys, I see.
you fall down there, you come down here, these leaves are here to trip you out. You go to the left, go all the way forward,
Where's the gambling?
and then you turn.
Hey, yeah.
So when you come down from here, you turn to this angle,
Gambling.
turn this angle,
Let's go, I love slots.
turn to this angle,
Follow this.
this angle,
Have some wings.
this angle,
Well,
to over here, around the corner, like this. I'm like, oh no, it's too dark. See that leaf? Just keep on going until you see that leaf, and then you wrap around the corner, without lagging, of course.
I'm gonna die.
When you're at the corner, and you go this diagonal,
Can someone save me?
You wanna
I'm
see my
about to
gambling
die.
machines?
and then you want to go down
Come here.
to this layer.
This is nice place, bro.
Someone save me.
Yeah, there's gonna be 3 layers.
Come here. Can someone save me?
I'm recording myself building it because I want proof that I'm the one who's building it.
Wait.
How do you even get inside
Wait,
here
it's
other
right
than
here.
using
It's
this
this
hole?
one. Hold up. Let me-
Oh, that's just the exit hole just for now.
Help.
Follow me down here.
Help. Bro, come here. Bro, nothing to help.
And this thing actually works.
Where's, oh, it's up here.
This thing actually works.
Drop your tool.
Because I have searched the thing, I cannot find
Me?
an entrance to the weapon.
Do you know these 2 buildings right here and here? They're both the exact same, right? In there.
Yeah.
But if you go to the left one,
Who the hell is talking?
That's me.
you just fall behind
Help
here.
me! Help
Dude, you can
me!
just go like, bro. That's the door. The door is behind you.
That
No,
ain't
not that
Oh
one.
yeah, there's
The
a
other
block
one.
for me.
And now just take the elevator.
Do you want me to just load it again? Then it might fix
You're
itself.
see standing on air.
Come out
Right
here real quick.
The room is right here. Bro, it's up. It's up.
Hey you, come out here real quick.
This way. It's the first floor.
Where did you go?
It's this one. Do you want to bet?
I'm gonna click load.
Oh!
Oh, he's gone.
Mama nearly
Do you
died.
want to bet?
You made me fall through the floor. I'm out.
Bro, do you want
Yes.
to bet?
I'm out. Can someone give me coins? I'm broke. I'm
I'm
coming.
gonna cover for the
Hello.
light.
I'm in the house.
Hello there.
This is my build. This is my build.
You
There
want
used to be a chicken jockey.
wants to help me build a chicken jockey.
I want to see chicken jockey.
Oops.
Okay, come here. Be cool. Be cool, builder.
Where are you? I'm here. I'm the white. I'm gonna go.
Let's talk about the build.
Were you the one?
All up
Go build
there and
one.
all
I'm
in the
gonna
back
go
rooms
build
as well.
chicken jockey for them.
Hey,
If you join, come and join.
No, did
I want to join. I want to join.
I'm the
I want to join.
pretty
Let's
princess.
go. Let's go.
No,
Come
not
on.
you.
Let's
You
go.
don't. Yo, get out.
I want it. I want it.
Bro, be cool, builder.
Does anybody want to buy my house? Okay. Yes, thank you.
Okay, let's build.
Okay, now. Yeah. Okay. Let's find
So
some.
first, let's start off with the legs.
Guys, I won. I won. Hi.
Hey, where
Guys, I won.
wanted to buy
I
my
won.
build?
Oh wait. I won. Wait. Wait. We're building something here.
Who wants to buy my
No,
build?
it has to be one block. It's one block, okay?
Got an exit right
So
there.
one block. One block is his feet. Okay. Let's throw our things off the side.
Do you want to buy my build?
There it goes. And I want it. Yeah, I can't.
You want it? It's gonna
Yeah.
be 1 month.
I'm making sure to crawl in some places.
I only have 300.
Bro, someone built an entire back room in their house.
What? I need 2 more left. Hey, Lima. Give me it. Give me it. Please.
Or actually, let's build a house.
Money now. Okay.
You want to buy my house?
I have
Yes.
the right blocks. But
Hold on.
can I please have my money back? You need to
Hold on,
build
let me
this
do the
thing.
stand.
Need
Let me show you how
money.
it's gonna stand. Oh, crap.
I'm just making a hole in the floor to make the house. Holy flip. Okay, then just done for.
Boom, so this thing, so let's put up the floor. Let's make the
Okay.
floor.
These, wait, I got it. Wait, Lima. No, Lima. Long Lima, yeah, you. You.
No.
Can you
I need a
be my friend? Can you be my friend?
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh,
We need to
no
place the
friend.
floor.
I've never had a friend know. since forever. The floor is gonna be. I'm only 10 years old, so.
It's gonna be
Hey,
planks.
follow me. Can I show you a really cool build? I'm gonna build it and you have to guess it. Okay. Oh, wrong one. Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, so. I know that book. Oh, hold on. I got the wrong one. I felt. Oh, wow. Oh, let me.
Does anybody want to buy my build?
No, I would not like to.
Does anybody want to buy my build? Do you want to buy my build?
No, that block. Okay.
I'll put this
Nah.
down here.
Someone stole my money.
Hey.
Oh wait.
You wanna buy my build?
I won't. I can't. Because
Who's
it's
in
so
the
much
box
on my
there?
money.
Oh, that's not good. Do you wanna buy my build?
Don't worry.
Come here. Axolotl,
I'm
I have
coming.
a
I'm
lag.
coming back,
stuff.
Jess. Coming back up.
you wanna buy my build?
What are you doing?
No, not really.
Don't worry.
It's really
I'm
cool.
fine.
No. I don't really want to right
Hey,
now.
do you wanna buy my build?
Oh, God.
We're building here.
Oh, I can't see.
Thank goodness.
Hey, friend, where are you? Where are you, my friend? Hey, White Lemur.
I'm over
Where
here.
are you?
Place all these
blocks. Come on.
I'm across your house.
I'm building the
house.
outline.
I built a chicken jockey.
What's the
Oh, that looks good. That looks
Chicken
good.
jockey.
Yeah.
I
My
am
first ever
Steve, chicken jockey. You know. That looks brilliant. Hold on, let me go. How do you get in? How do you get in?
Also, I saw
Hey,
you
how
trying
do
to
you
download
get
an app
in?
before, buddy.
It's like an elevator now. But
Oh, yeah, a sec, but bro, I literally saw you trying to download Veil.
Oh, not
Wait, no, hold up. I think I should. I think I should.
No, I
do
just need to
something
find the
bad.
exit.
A little.
No, if someone exits this place,
I'm up.
they might just fall.
No.
So yeah, let's show you guys one more time. Go in this angle.
Yo, where should I do the stand? Where should it be like?
Turn to the right.
Wait.
Oh, in the corners. 4 in the corners.
Oh,
chicken jockey.
yes.
Oh my God, pretend I'm Steve. Help! Help! Chicken jockey.
Do this. Look,
Chicken
I'm doing
jockey.
like you can do this.
Where are you?
Oh, when you go
Yes.
on.
Axolotl,
No, Lena,
Yes.
where are
do you
you?
wanna buy my build?
No,
I'm outside of my
Not
build.
really. I have my own build.
Outside of
You
your
look at it?
build. Where?
The what?
Oh, I see you.
Look at it.
Above.
No,
Look
not really.
above.
I like to.
I have the
my
crown
build.
apparently.
I'm coming down.
No, it's like an actual
Come
house.
here.
I just like my
Right.
axolotl build.
I'm finishing the touches of my illegal.
Yo, who wants to buy my casino? Who wants to buy my
I
casino?
need to do my house because I need to finish my.
Yeah, bro, can you play some planks?
Oi, mate! Shut up!
I actually
Good
don't know
boy.
this bit.
My build.
Huh?
Is that your dad?
You wanna get my
No. That's mine.
Tell your dad to shut the hell up, bro. He's annoying. Or whatever.
Hey,
he is.
bro,
Can
stop.
we
No,
just
it's for free.
Dad?
You
Dad?
can have it for free.
Someone in this really just said
Yeah.
shut up.
So-
to you.
so follow
It
me.
says island block.
Oh,
Hey, bro.
Build mine,
Hey,
look,
bro.
oh,
Bro. I'm back.
That wasn't him. It was me. It was me, not him.
I'm
Okay.
here. He
see,
said,
come,
he said,
come on.
he said to shut up
Yeah.
to you.
Fuck off. Bro, tell your dad to fuck off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on. Getting out. Focusing.
Bro, tell him to fuck off. He's annoying.
Hi. I'll just tell you to fuck off.
Yeah.
Dad. Okay, say stop me. Hey.
Okay, okay.
You
hold-
to stop.
That base.
You're my home.
Kinda complete. It's just up here. I just need to do now.
Tell him
All
so
this,
he
I
can-
just need to
he can
finish.
go suck any other dick, but not my legendary dick.
What?
Bro, you do not have one.
Take a minute.
Tell him he can go suck my. He can go suck any dick he wants, but not my legendary dick.
Nah. Okay.
Cause it's
Dad.
precious for his mom.
Which one? Okay, he doesn't. He really doesn't care. All I have is
Yo,
on.
his dad is a Sigma.
yeah.
Bro, I just roasted him.
Lisa.
Whoa.
He can't shut up.
Playing FIFA on
Let me
the
just
business
save
side.
this.
Okay, then you're going to press
And let's see if we have time to go in my house.
Oh,
It's 2 floating blocks in
My
it.
game
I've already
43.
claimed an island
Gifted
and
you
it's this one.
$100,000.
I've already claimed this island.
You could unclaim
Make
it,
your
then you
build
can
a
claim
lot
this
better
one.
with these.
Yo, does anyone want to buy my build?
Hey, who wants to buy my chicken
Hard work
jockey?
here. We're
buddy.
reconstructing. We're
Yo,
constructing.
after this, do you want to sell it?
I know I didn't do it.
Yeah. Who do you want to say?
Claim.
Hey, next
For
door neighbor.
1,000. For 1,000. Let's
Yeah.
build 5 rooms. Let's do 5 rooms.
Yeah.
Save, then unclaim.
And let's
I've
build
already
like
pressed
a cafeteria downstairs.
Now you're
Maybe
Oh,
maybe some
right.
slots machine.
You have to press save.
Oh. Okay.
Maybe
let's
some
get
video
back to
games.
building.
Now you saved it. Good job.
What are we supposed to do in this game? Are we just supposed to build stuff?
Yeah,
Yes.
you're just supposed to build stuff.
Oh.
And then if
But
you
don't
do
build
that
dick and
before,
don't
you
build
could
dicks.
need some admin.
Don't build
What?
dicks.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Don't build dicks, bro. Or naked women. Or naked men. Actually, yes.
I am a woman now.
Don't build him. Don't build him.
That scared me.
You mean Timmy, you stupid bitch? Dinky dinky. Dinky dinky.
Okay.
Dinky. You stupid Timmy.
Yo, bro, we only have a little rest
Where
left.
are you, my friend?
Check my
Where are
game.
you?
There's so many holes in our
Vacation.
Do you
Gotta
want
stop
do
building
you
them
wanna
up.
get my house?
Oh! Bro!
Come here.
Bro!
What?
Where are you?
No!
Die. Bro! Help!
Nobody
Oh.
fucking cares.
Bro, just get into a hole.
Just shut up.
Get into this hole.
Uh-oh.
Before I cover it up.
Ow! That what? You stupid Timmy. Wait!
I'm coming back!
Better.
Back!
Not that.
I'm back.
Oh my
I died and I came back.
Hey, my friend, where are you?
You're my friend. I gotta leave. I gotta leave.
Yo, bro, do you wanna add a meta?
What?
Do you wanna add?
Yeah.
Add you?
No, you
What
haven't
the
got it.
fuck?
Just search. Okay, so hold up. You search my user. It's the same as in the game.
I'll get it for you.
What?
I'm going.
Search my user. It's the same as in the game.
Sorry, but you can.
Your user is your name.
Yeah, my username is the same in this game, like in meta.
Oh.
Wait, who said that? Wait, who said that?
Does anyone want to be my friend?
Took us hours to make, didn't it?
Yeah, it took a long time to do this thing.
Yeah.
Come on, be my
We're
friend.
not even finished. What the hell? Okay.
Ooh,
My eye.
Okay,
my
I
back's
know
killing.
it's
Anyone
done.
want to be my
can you help me?
Standing up for this long is tiring.
I hope
Does
you feel
anyone
it.
want to be my friend?
Okay, now,
Hmm.
now
Okay.
the pillars
Oh.
are gonna help us.
Can you
The pillar-
speak,
the pillars are
please?
helpful on this.
Yeah.
So what do you wanna do, like the home?
So I didn't
yeah.
do my build. So
We do need to actually build.
Hold
the
up, why
home.
didn't some things disappear?
I'll show you.
No,
I'll show
none of
you.
nothing shall disappear.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7.
I fell, but I'm still alive and
One,
kicking.
two,
I'm swimming.
So long, nerds.
Hey, bro, where are you?
I'm
Are
right
you
here.
here? Is that you?
I'm right here.
I'm here. Can someone give me wings?
Oh, there you are. There you are, bro. Is it you? Are you?
It's me.
Okay.
Can someone give
Use
me
your
wings?
wings to fly.
I really want wings.
I can make your hair go.
Can someone give me wings?
Hey, bro.
Can someone give me... Hey, I'm about to die.
Cool.
I'm about to die.
No one give him
come
wings.
in.
He's just faking.
Peekaboo.
Okay, bro, let's build the.
I went too hard.
I want the clown. I want the clown.
This is what my water elevator looks like. Brum, brum, brum. Brum, 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 brum. Brum, 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 brum.
And now time to do a little floating to the sky. Can make it now to fly again. Flying.
What did he build, man? Hey, what did he build? What did he build? I'm coming.
Yep, this is good. Hey, where did you get ghost blocks from?
What? Ghost? Is from
There's ghost
inventory.
blocks, look. Where did you get ghost
Oh, you can
blocks
just
from?
get them from the inventory.
Hey, where's the ghost box though?
Best
It's number 33.
best friend. Oh, that's so sweet. Best friend. Does that say best friend? Oh, thank
Yo, guys,
you.
who wants to see my build? Who wants to see my build?
I want to see
No
your
one.
build.
Wait, who said that? Okay, come over here. So this is my build. This is a statue of me. And some decorations.
Oh, that looks
Like
good.
there's some water
Look
and
around.
some plants.
I got a question.
What?
Why is there water on there?
Oh, I put it. I put it.
Yo, where's my friend?
I put it there. I don't
I'm
really
here.
know why, but it got wet.
Can you help me?
It's just playing in the water. Oh yeah, and this is a waterfall.
I'm coming.
Gotta go back. And this is a water elevator.
Hey, who wants to see my build? Who wants to see my build? Animal company. Who wants to see my build? I'm coming. Who wants to see my build? Hey, friend. Hey. Guys, can 1.25?
Ain't coming.
What's your real name? What's your real name?
Why?
It's because I just want to know what your name is.
What's your name?
M-O-R-G-A-N, Morgan. What's yours?
Mine's Hannah. Hannah?
Hannah. Oh, so is that full name? Hannah.
So this is all I'm going to showcase for right now.
Hannah, follow me. Hannah, over here.
This does go on a massive circle. And then
Hannah.
something like that.
Hannah,
It's finally morning. Let's have some
wanna
breakfast.
join my poet?
So yeah, and maybe catch up when it's finished.
Okay.
So
So
bye.
my code is
Alright, I don't know if I said bye.
so
I'm just going to
Please,
Oh, who are you looking at?
let's get it.
He's looking at a dragon. Anyways. I have no badges, but quite a big like that. Microphone, not that. Expensive sword, this and expensive that. And the okay version.
Hey, bro, can I take this
Got 3
stick off?
suits. Got these avatars. Hats, I got this hat. Then I got those 3 wings. So yeah. I'll see you next time. Bye.